Hi everyone, my name is Kim and welcome to Speaking English Language School and our 5-minute and under idioms course. I'm thrilled you're joining me today. In this lesson, we're going to look at some useful idioms to talk about how we interact and get along with other people. Actually, that's our first idiom right there. To get along with someone simply means to have a good relationship with them. You like each other, you're friendly, and there aren't usually any big disagreements. Let's see it in action. Let's think about two close friends. Here's an example. Even though they have different hobbies, Mark and Lisa get along with each other really well. And now the next example. Imagine Sarah. She says, I really get along with my new colleagues. They're all so welcoming. So Sarah just started a new job and she's commenting about how she gets along well with new colleagues. Our next idiom is all about having the same opinion or understanding. It's see eye to eye. Let's dig into it a little bit more. If you see eye to eye with someone, it means you agree with them about something. You share the same viewpoint. We're going to look through two examples together. The first example is the manager and I see eye to eye on the best way to approach this project. And their second example, it's great when you see eye to eye with your partner about important life decisions. Now, sometimes you need to make sure everyone understands the same thing. That's where our third idiom comes from. On the same page. If you're on the same page with someone, it means you have a shared understanding of a situation or plan. Everyone knows what's happening. For example, let's just quickly recap to make sure everyone is on the same page before we move on. Or, after the meeting, I think we're finally on the same page about the marketing strategy. Now, these two are work examples, but this is used in everyday life as well. But what happens when things don't go so smoothly? Well, sometimes people rub each other the wrong way. If someone rubs you the wrong way, it means they annoy or irritate you, often unintentionally without even thinking about it. Think about if you're petting a cat or a dog the wrong direction. They get kind of irritated. That's what I like to think about when thinking about this idiom. Here are a couple of situations where it might be used. His constant complaining really rubs me the wrong way. Or, even though they work together, their personalities just rub each other the wrong way. Finally, when people have had a disagreement but decide to forgive and forget, they bury the hatchet. To bury the hatchet means to make peace after a conflict. It's like symbolically putting away the weapon that was used in the fight. Let's see how it's used. After years of arguing, the two brothers finally decided to bury the hatchet. Or, it's important to bury the hatchet and move forward after a disagreement in a team. So in this lesson, we learned 5 useful idioms about getting along with others, all in under 5 minutes. We learned get along with someone, see eye to eye, be on the same page, rub someone the wrong way, and bury the hatchet. We're going to do a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Try to complete the blank with the best idiom. Sarah and her boss, on most important business decisions. Is it A, rub each other the wrong way, B, see eye to eye, or C, bury the hatchet? Let's take 3 seconds, 2, and 1. If you need more time, pause the video. But you should have said B, see eye to eye. Sarah and her boss see eye to eye on most important business decisions. That's all for today's lesson. Practice using these idioms in your conversations this week, or leave a comment below, choosing one, and make an example sentence. In our next video, we'll be looking at more idioms all in under 5 minutes. Be sure to like and subscribe to Speaking English Language School.